Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bob Carpenter with CSOLs. Let's start out with some introductions, a little bit about myself. I'm a client services manager. Amongst my responsibilities is the STARLIMS services delivery, as well as strategic projects. I've been in laboratory informatics for about 11 years now, and prior to that, 17 years in IT. And just a third bullet there, what do I mean by that? I think it's incredibly important for as we go through our work and delivering our services to our clients that a team approach is critical. And as we're doing today, it's a team. It's Robert and I. And Robert, how about telling the folks a little bit about yourself?
Yep, I'm Robert Lemire. I have 29 years IT background as a developer, leader, PM, BA, even trainer. I've been working on STARLIMS application development for the last 9 years to do like development, upgrades, implementation across multiple industries. And as you might have noticed, my first language is French, or could even be qualified as Franglish. So I'm currently located in Montreal under a huge amount of snow.
Thanks, Robert.
No problem.
So let's go over the agenda here. Why do you need to integrate STARLIMS or systems to STARLIMS? Why is that necessary at all? And let's go through some techniques that are available, and we're going to go into quite some detail on that. Now, Robert in particular is going to drive you through some very technical screenshots and explanations. We're going to go over the pros and cons of those, review a case study, an example client who we work with, and actually go through a simple technique to improve compliance. We're going to show you an example of integration technique. And just generally the advantages for integrating STARLIMS to the enterprise. So that's our agenda today. So why is it necessary? We're not going to read the slides to you today, but I'm kind of to have an open discussion on this. You know, obviously, if you're in manufacturing or R&D or your organization has both, which is typical, there's multiple systems there which are necessary to, in the end, get the products out the door, or for raw materials, you know, get the testing done for those, and make those usage decisions. And you know, that's the point of your business, very likely, or possibly services you're offering. So integrating a LIMS, in this case STARLIMS, with those other systems such as ERP, SAP is a common one, you know, your Kappa or MES, learning management systems, your quality management systems is critical to be able to facilitate those decision-making processes with quality data, with rapidity. So what we want to avoid, or what you want to avoid, what we're recommending here is to, you know, we want to avoid having to log into those disparate systems to get that information, to be able to use those usage decisions ultimately, and possibly manually populate that data from one system to another. So there's lots of opportunity for efficiency and productivity, as well as compliance. All right, so what is the value of the system integration? Well, the value we believe for system integration to the business, you know, operations, manufacturing, QC, as I mentioned, is faster usage decisions. If you have that information at the fingertips, because of the integration to the Kappa system or to other systems that are necessary, TrackWise, for example, you can not only make those decisions faster, you'll have a complete, you know, if you will, genealogy of those decisions. So the product or the raw material can, you know, go on to manufacturing, or the final product can go out the door. From a laboratory operations and QA perspective, you're going to be improving turnaround time. You're not going to be relying on manual processes or logging into other systems while you're trying to finish up that, you know, finishing that batch off. And also improving quality, because you have expanded data and metadata at your fingertips available to you because of the integration with the other systems. So those are the two significant values we believe to integrating STARLIMS to the rest of the enterprise.